Hey everyone, good morning. Welcome to my birthday vlog. But today is the day before my birthday and I am starting the vlog from today because I have a lot of pre-birthday plans and I woke up really early for that. Now let's get started with the day and do all the morning rituals. I have a very long list for today, so I quickly got freshen up. Now I'm making my bed. After that I'm gonna make myself a full bowl of breakfast. Okay, so I'm making myself some bread butter in breakfast and I will also spread some Nutella and dry fruits on it. After that I'm gonna boil some eggs for me because earlier I used to eat very light breakfast and some of you commented that I should eat heavier breakfast and I took that seriously. So I'm going to boil some eggs in this Agaro Grand Egg Boiler and Poacher. This is a 2-in-1 egg boiler and poach maker. We can boil up to 8 eggs and make 4 poach in it. It has a very sleek looking stainless steel body and comes with a lid which is transparent and looks so good and very sturdy. And this is the poach egg bowl. It is very hardy and we can make 1, 2, 3, 4 poach together in one go. And this is the egg boiling shelf. It has holes for egg. It is really good in quality and again it is very sturdy. Lastly, this is the main machine. It is very lightweight and portable and the round portion you are seeing, it will get heat up from here. And also it has a power button and automatic system, means it will shut down automatically once the cooking is done. It comes with pretty much long cord and 500 watt power. Also it comes with a measurement cup so we can measure the water as per our boiling preference, and the cup has a needle in the back to make a hole or break the eggs. The 2-in-1 poach and egg boiler has 3 boiling modes: soft boil, medium boil and hard boil. I like my eggs to be hard boiled, so I took 120 ml water. It also comes with a manual where you can see all the details and measurement and take the water as per your boiling preference. We can boil up to 8 eggs together in it, but today I am boiling 2 eggs for myself, also making a small hole in the eggs with the help of this needle so it does not break while boiling. And now I just have to plug in, switch on and press the power button and my eggs will be boiled in few time. As you can see, it has automatically power off, which means the eggs are boiled and now ready to eat. And now again I'm going to make a poach for my mom in this poach egg bowl. I don't like poach that much but she likes it, so we're gonna make one for her. And this time I took 100 ml water because my mom likes her poach to be medium boiled, but you can take as per your preference. Also we can make 4 poach together in this in one go. How convenient is that, right? And with that, in no time the poach is ready to serve and it looks so perfect. Now let's go have some breakfast.
Okay, hi everyone, it's me Gloria. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my birthday vlog. But today is not my birthday, it's tomorrow on 3rd of October and today is 2nd October. But I am filming from today as I have a lot of cute plans and I am celebrating from today. Like I'm going on a very cute picnic date and later on a dinner with my friends. But it all depends on the weather, though it seems like it is going to be raining, but we will figure it out. Also, I have planned a lot of things today because I want to relax on my birthday. So tomorrow is going to be very chill pill. So yeah, right now I am at our own place having my very cute demure breakfast with my iced coffee. And once I finish this, I'm gonna take a really long shower, pamper my skin, pamper myself, and I want to make myself feel very special because it is a special day and I haven't done that in a really long time. So yeah, and after all of this I'm gonna go to my sister's place and then get ready and I will head out with my friends. So that is the plan. Now let's get into the video.
Okay, so the shower and body care is done and now it is time to do some skincare. You can also say pre-birthday glow up. I have applied a face mask and now I'm gonna do my regular skincare. After that I'm gonna quickly get ready and head to my sister's place. Also, I'm planning to get my hair trimmed before I head out with my friends today. I am using a gua sha today to make myself feel more luxurious, bougie, and I am telling you, skincare is so therapeutic and it becomes more special when you do it for some special event. It is currently 1:30 p.m. right now and I came to my sister's place. Also, I got my hair trimmed and here is an overview. And for your preference, if you want to know what haircut I got face framing long layers with bangs. So I am getting ready to go out with my friends and this is gonna be the dress, but I am confused about this two bag and the pastel pink one is new. I received in PR from Savannah and I think I'm gonna take this one. I am almost ready. Now I'm gonna head out and meet my friends. Also, I am carrying this big tote bag and I'm carrying my shoulder bag and everything in it because we are planning to go on a very cute picnic date later on. But before that, we're gonna go to this cafe called Lake Coffee Cream. It's nearby Maidan and we have been here few times. I like their food, so we're gonna chill here for a bit. We were at the cafe for like 1.5 hours and now we are going to Maidan, which is just opposite side of the road of the cafe, but sadly we couldn't do the picnic as it just rained before. But we sit there for chit chat and all, gossiped, we were having fun. I also journaled for a bit and so far my day is going exactly how I wanted it to be. I already received some pre-birthday gift that I'll open tomorrow on my birthday and now I'm gonna go home and change into another outfit to go for dinner. So we went to have dinner at this really nice Italian fancy place called Shorano, and this is the beautiful dress that I wore, but sadly most of the footage from this day got deleted. But here are some food pictures and some pretty pictures of what I ate, and this is how I ended my day. Hi everyone, hi again, good morning. So finally it is my birthday, a really happy birthday to me. And as I already told you guys, I want my birthday to be very relaxing and chill pill. So I started my day really late. I woke up at 10 a.m. today. I had a good sleep. Now let's quickly get freshen up and started with the day. I'm so excited. I like to take some time all by me in the morning, and now I am going to make myself a hot cup of birthday special coffee and a very cute tasty breakfast. The plan is to have my breakfast while scrolling on Pinterest for some birthday inspo for pictures. I am planning to take cute pictures and I'm gonna decorate one wall, so we really need some Pinterest inspo for that. Everything is done. Now let's open all the gifts that I received and the gifts that I gifted myself and some peer packages that I am saving for 1 week to open on this video. I'm gonna start with peer packages first. So I received few packages from Savannah. That pink bag is also one of them that I carried yesterday. Then there is this black top. I also received another white bow top that I can't find right now, and there is 2 more bags. Then I have this box from Plum. They have sent me their winter essential like body lotion, body wash and some body mist, and I love their body mist. They smell so good. Lastly, we have this peer package from Ananta Jewels. I love gold plated jewelry and they have sent me some of their very pretty collection. I love them all. Now let's open some of the gifts that I gifted myself. First we have some minimal jewelries from an Instagram store. Next we have some more jewelry from SNS Studio, and this one is very special and expensive. I always wanted to try their jewelry. And then we have a shoulder bag. It's a denim one and looks so pretty. I have a thing for small bags, shoulder bags, so I got one for myself on my birthday. Lastly, we have a hill in cherry red color. I wanted this for so long and I thought let's give it to myself on my birthday, and it looks so freaking pretty. Now let's open some of the gifts that I received for my birthday. First we have this pastel pink color ka jewelry box that my sister got me, and I already stored all my jewelry in it. It looks so pretty and organized. Next we have this huge box gifted by Shorob, and oh my god, it is filled with Korean skincare. We have a cleansing oil from Claire's. Then we have this 2 products from Beauty of Joseon, sunscreen and a serum. And lastly we have few more products from Anua, and soon you guys are going to see me using this on my pamper routines. Lastly we have another huge box gifted by Shorob, and he gifted me this knee length boots. It looks so pretty. I wanted this for so long, and that's a wrap you guys for gift unboxing. Okay, I received some birthday kisses, but just when I thought I'm done opening all the birthday gifts, at that moment the bell rings and I received a parcel. Now let's open it and see what we have. So again, Shorob gifted me this red cup and it is so cute. It has all my heart. I love it. And after all of this, I got freshen up and had lunch. My sister made me some birthday special lunch and some special dishes, but I am so sorry I don't have the video anymore. And after having lunch, me and my sister we sit down and started prepping for the decoration, and the theme is black and white. So I was making some bows with a black ribbon and my sister was blowing some balloons. She was helping me. I took some inspo from Pinterest and did the decoration all by myself, and it was looking so cute at the end. So this is the final decoration, and at the evening I got all dressed up. I wore this very pretty white dress and Shorab got me this very Pinteresty aesthetic cute white cake which is exactly matching the decoration. Everything was going so well, exactly how I wanted it to be. I love the vibe, but sadly most of the clips like my cake cutting clips and all got deleted, but you guys can tell that I had the best birthday ever. I was clicking a lot of videos, then I got some pretty pictures, and then I received some more gifts, and I wasn't ready for this, you guys. So he gifted me a Casio watch, and you guys already see me wearing it a lot in Get Ready With Me and shorts. And lastly, I was not ready at all for this one. He gifted me a Dior lipstick, you guys. Yes, I have my first ever Dior. And that's a wrap, you guys. That is how I ended my birthday. Lastly, I am so grateful for everything and my family, and of course you guys. Thank you so much for loving me. Now I can't wait for my next birthday.